Okay, viewers, you're welcome to our tutorial. We're taking up the first course, which is the computer basic, and this is the one on the amber color, or you call it the orange color. So now I want to show you the steps on how to create a folder from the desktop. Okay, so first of all, okay, let me view my desktop icons. Okay, so step one, you right click on the desktop and this pop-up menu will come up. Under the pop-up menu, you select new. Okay, under new, you select folder, and then you give a folder a name of a choice. For example, I want to give my folder a name, my new folder. Then after that, you press your enter key on your keyboard. Okay, so with this you've created your folder. So if you want to open your folder, you can right click on it or you double click on it and then it opens. So with this is how to create a folder. Okay, so please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you very much.